Hello everybody, welcome back. I got a new video I'm going to be unboxing today. Some new earbuds just came out. So these are the CMF Buds Pro 2. I mean not Pro 2, they're just the CMF Buds 2. So I've already reviewed the Buds, the regular ones, and the CMF Buds Pro. The Pro 2 I got them, but I haven't reviewed them yet. So I'm going to have to open up this box. I gotta be careful because my knife is it's broke, so I gotta really be careful this time. Let's see here, just cut away from myself because this blade, the thing, it broke off. It's supposed to stay on there, but it snapped right off, so I gotta get me a new Songpak toe. So these come in like 3 different colors. They come in the standard orange, they come in black, and these are the light green, but I'm just gonna call them mint. As far as the features go, they're still using the Durac Opto sound. I don't like that. We're getting 48 decibels of what is it, hybrid active noise cancellation. They got a good driver. This is long battery life. I think it's like 48 hours total. So we do have fast charge, and we got clear voice technology. We got 6 microphones. Okay, these support multi-point. Okay, let me get my knife back out again. I gotta be real careful with this. I gotta keep my finger on the thumb catch. There we go. Let's see what they look like. I want to know what the case feels like. Is it like a matte material, or is it like hard plastic like it's always been? Let's see. Now this, you can pause the video right here and go ahead and scan this, and you can get the nothing.tech app. Doesn't matter what phone you have, whether you're using an iPhone or Android, the app is available on both. I'm just gonna tear this. Don't have to be careful with it. It's plastic, so it looks a little smaller. Looks smaller this time around, but the dial is not a solid color. It's clear, it's see-through. That's reminiscent of Nothing. This is CMF. This is Nothing sub-brand. You got the USB-C port right here on the side. Got the LED light on the front. Nothing on the back, and that's pretty much it. Let me see. Open this up. Let's see here. We got safety information. We got some ear tips. How many we got? Yeah, everything seems to be the same as the CMF Buds and the CMF Buds Pro. Let me see. These might be the large and the small. Let me look. Ooh, they're kind of see-through. They're the same color as the case. They're light green as these. Yeah, check these out. These look dope. I love Nothing's attention to detail. Yeah, look at this. So these are proprietary silicone tips. They got a little earwax mesh right there on the front. So they ever get nasty, you can just clean them off with some warm water and some soap. Look good. I might have to go with the large though, because when it comes to stem style earbuds, yeah, I always go with the large. Help me out with the fit, so it'll stay in my ears better. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff to the side and look at the earbuds themselves. They probably got that film over the contacts. Nope, they don't. Okay, so it's pretty much, they look pretty much the same as the CMF buds. You got the microphones here, you got all these different ports. Not bad. So I'm gonna set them up. All right, here we go. Some more buds added to the collection. I got 100% out the gate. That's good. Okay, let's try them out. Let me go into the, okay, so by default they're automatically going to go to noise cancellation, and Let me see. Can you use... Okay, you use one earbud, or in mono mode, it's going to go to transparency. Can you use noise canceling on one earbud? You can. So you can use ANC with one earbud, and it looks like they got adaptive now. Okay, we got adaptive ANC. Very nice. What else we got? So this is the nothing.tech app. It's got some new layout. I might go back to the old one. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this, but I do like that all of the earbuds that I have with nothing, like the ear A, the open, the stick, the CMF Buds Pro 2, and so on and so forth, they're all at the top, and they got a little green light that lets you know what you're connected to. Let's see, you got spatial audio, that's off. Ultra bass, I'm gonna leave that at 1 for right now. And as far as equalizer goes, let me listen to some music first. Let me listen to some music. Let me take the left one out of the case. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the silicone tips because the medium ones, they're in my ear, but if I move them around, they're gonna fall out. So I'm gonna have to move up to a large. So this is very important for your earbuds. Basically what this does is it tests whether or not you got a good seal. Okay, I got the medium, I got a good seal, but I don't like the way they fitting. I mean, I can't hear anything because ANC is activated. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just switch these out for the large ones. Instruments sound good. Overall, it's pretty much the same as the CMF buds as far as sound signature is concerned. It's V-shaped. Nothing really sounds icky or nasty. That bass is really present though. That's really standing out, and that's what I hear the most. Yeah, these are definitely V-shaped. Definitely V-shaped. Nothing wrong with that. Nope, these do not have wireless charging. So they're basically the same as the CMF buds. Just, I don't know what, I guess, what, adaptive ANC now and some more battery life. That's it. I mean, I'm going to have to do some more testing. It's too early to call it right now. This is just me giving you my first impressions. They sound pretty decent. Oh, before I end the video, I got a new toy I can play with now. Look at this. Look what I got. I got a scale. Let's see. One earbud weighs approximately 4 grams. And 2 earbuds, they're going to weigh 8 grams. And so the whole thing, 50 grams. Okay, they're lightweight. That's nice. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the brand new CMF Buds 2. I'm gonna keep messing that up. I want to keep saying Pro 2, but yeah, it's the Bud Pro 2, the sequel to the Buds. Enjoy your life, enjoy your sound. I'll see you in the next video.